We pulled up to come chill here, take some pictures, and there was hella cars. Oh, what the hell? That's a random.
Wait,
This random car just decided to park right here.
When are you pulling up?
I didn't even notice.
So random. Oh, what the fuck?
He's in the phantom mode. Sounds crazy when they're backing up. Yeah, all these cars just pulled up. That's hella funny.
650.
650.
And he said that there's a little BMW cruise later, so we might head to that. But there's a slammed van over there. What the hell? These Teslas are sick. Damn. So yeah, we'll probably end up cruising with all the Beamers later. Should be pretty fun. Right now I'll get some pictures. I'll throw some of the pictures up on the screen that I take, but I only have this lens. I don't think I brought my other lens, so.
Bending those like metal tubes is hard.
Yeah.
Getting them nice and flush.
Yeah, it was, you know, I didn't want to do all that.
So do the ones to the back, they go under the...
Oh, my battery's gonna die.
Yeah, they did.
Alright. The whole squad. You guys can't see, but we got a whole bunch of Beamers and an Alfa Romeo. And we're gonna go cruise Sunset Cliffs. Cool little spot, take some pictures, but I ran into these guys all random. I was just with my buddy. We were about to go take some pictures, and I see these guys taking pictures. And I started talking with them for a little bit, and now we're all cruising together, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, it should be fun. Hopefully I can get some cool pictures, maybe some cool rollers. Can't have music though. Oh, it's an unreleased song, isn't it? Oh, I can. Yeah. Hell yeah, I can have juice roll. Got fun. Uh-oh. We just went to Mexico real quick.
Where are we going?
Quick trip. Mexico. pressure fuel pump. Yeah. I feel it.
I'm going out and going under. My eternal slow. If I turn the corner, evil on my radar. She say I should stay. Baby girl, I stay. I get up out the way. And I just say I don't understand. Hey, hello, well, the XO got me in another zone. Taking psychedelics till
Thousands of tears later.
Look at you using snap automatic tools.
I always feel like this is gonna come out.
Yeah, I think it's clutch though. Are you filming yourself?
Oh, it still is, yeah. Gonna do like that, so fast and shit, you know?
That's so funny, dude.
What?
Oh, you can fucking see. I'll look at you right here.
Is
You're gonna just be like, it's gonna be like a fast video. You just look in the camera, just smiling. And it's funny because your Bink 2 was the one that was freaking out, so most likely it's
Most likely what?
this, the one in there, the plug.
Oh, yeah, because it's... So 6 works. Hopefully. Damn, it's fucking hot right here next to the servo. No wonder O2s burn so fast. It's like 1,000,000 degrees. God, it's so hot. Look at this. Alright, all the plugs are in. Now, I'm gonna start it, see if it works. Runs
better?
way better.
There you go.
Damn,
Alright, so I'm hoping this works. Because the whole drive here, I didn't even film anything, but the whole drive here, like giving it any more than like 20, literally like 20-25% throttle, it was just misfiring. And it felt super bad. It already feels way better, so. I have it on wastegate right now. The lowest possible boost I can run. So I was trying to like not get into too much boost, but it already feels way better. So I think that was it. I think it was just the plug. I was getting worried because I was thinking maybe it's my injectors, because honestly, these injectors have a lot of miles on them. They're index 12s, but they're definitely not new. They have a lot of miles. Yeah, it's good now. Woo! That's relieving. Sometimes it burbles a little bit, but I don't have burbles on. Alright, I'm gonna turn it back up. I'll show you guys how I use my boost controller. If you guys haven't seen already. I don't think I've done it in front of you guys. But basically, go Fastbit's boost controller. So this is how I changed the boost. So this is duty cycle. I have it set to 10, which is the lowest possible duty cycle I can run, which is basically like 14 PSI. And then I'm gonna put this all the way up to 40, and then hold this. And then now that's like 17, 18 PSI. And then there's a whole lot of other settings in here. Duty cycle, this is the gain, which I don't know how to explain what that does. Sensitivity, I think gain helps you hold target boost and then, or get to target boost faster, and then I think sensitivity holds target boost. I don't know if that's correct though. And then all these other settings I don't really know for sure. I know one's an overboost setting, and then there's the color, but yeah. So let's see if this is gonna work on 40% duty cycle. Yeah, it works. That's crazy. I literally got here and my plug was like at the point where like, guys, look at this.
Next quarter, damn it.
Look at this. Look at this E92.
And you want to be careful when you get it so you don't.
Got the cage. This thing's sick. You guys see in here? Sparco, carbon Kevlar. This thing's nice.
So are they the same for every car?
I want an E92 M3 so bad. This Jerry's trying to talk. Yeah, I need RS3. This thing's fucking sick. I like how like small the steering wheel is too. And this thing makes like 600-700 horsepower. High 6. Maybe low 7s. Who knows? And the gray. This thing's crazy. I have a phone clip that I took because I went in the car and I forgot to bring my camera with, but I have a little phone clip I'll put in. This thing feels crazy. I'm on my phone right now.
Are you alive?
No, just like camera. Well, try just
Go all the way up.
all the way on. That shit just launches.
It's like Ivory seen at the start.
Just like feeling it try to hook. It just hooking though? Does it feel like it's spun at all?
A little bit.
That's crazy.
Well, the Haltex works.
Sheesh.
You put a towel over your head?
Put it!
I'm sweating.
Man's on retard mode.
About to hit the jump.
I feel like that one would be better.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit this.
Oh, I'm not. Really? Drop room over there.
Yeah, literally.
I don't know.
Dude, it's like closed guard.
Film it.
Hey, get up here. Get up here.
Wait, this is a good angle right here though.
Like right here, dude.
Bro, look at the mark.
Dude, I can smell it. Like the most
Sparks. You hit the wall over there.
Did it get air?
Yeah.
You're lying.
I bottomed out so hard, dude.
Absolutely nothing, huh?
Bro, it sparked. SD Garage shenanigans.
Hey! Hold the brake and floor it.
Anywhere from right here and you're good.
Yeah.
Nothing happened.
Bro, you're tripping. Just go over here more.
Nothing happened at all.
Go like right here, bro.
No, he's gonna fuck his shit up if he goes right there. He's gotta go like right
Bro,
here.
if he goes here, yeah.
Like right here.
If he goes right here the whole time.
Right here will be
No,
chilling.
his right wheel needs to be right here.
Nah, that might be too.
Oh Jesus.
My oil light came on and then it just went off.
Nah, bro, that shit's gonna fuck me up.
Go over here. Go right here with your left wheel. You'll be fine. Bro, I've done it in this thing. I literally came down right here. In the bends.
No way, that shit's gonna fuck
Bro,
me
I'll
up.
literally go up right here in the bends just to prove you wrong.
What do you think?
Right here. Like right here.
Just go up right here and just send it that way.
Don't do that.
Come on, before we lose daylight.
Yo, you should just run in straight to the RS3. These things are pretty cheap.
These things are pretty cheap.
You'll want like 5 years.
For me. So fast. Nubbus Grubbus.
Very minor, bro.
Alright. So today, I'm fixing my boost controller. I don't know if you guys knew, but my boost controller is reading wrong this whole time. So my logs show 17, 18 PSI, and the boost controller only reads 13, 14, sometimes even like 12. So we're gonna separate the lines because they were tapped in together. So this was going up to my boost controller, which routes into the car, and this goes in the manifold. So Jerry here is gonna fix it.
You don't know shit.
So now it's working, right? When I let off, it goes to negative 21, negative 22, which is what it's supposed to do. Blow valve still works like the same. Still a little cold, so I'm not gonna like go too high of a RPM, but so it seems to be working. We basically just separated the boost controller and the blow-off valve, the vacuum lines for those, because they were like spliced in together, or whatever you call it. I don't know the right terms, but yeah, they were like connected, so I think it was like throwing it off, and it only happened when I got the new blow-off valve, but now it seems to be working fine, so gotta see if it'll read boost right. Yeah, seems fine. Let's see, try it again. I only saw like 16 PSI, but then again, it's a little hot out. Alright, it works. It works. My car is way too loud. So for those of you guys who don't know, I'm gonna be changing my exhaust. I know a lot of people like it, but I'm over it. It's too loud, brings way too much attention, and all I want really bad is a stock exhaust. And I feel like it would sound perfect, because with the stock exhaust I can floor it, my open dumps will open, you know, so it'll still sound sick when I hit over 14 PSI, but like right now it's way too loud. I can't do anything. So once I figure out how to get the custom stuff fixed, then yeah. Alright, so I went out to do a couple logs, because we just well, as you guys just saw, I fixed the boost controller, or well, Jeff did. And I just went out to go do some logs to go just to make sure everything was working. And I wanted to make sure my high pressure fuel pump and low pressure fuel pump are working fine. But I was doing a poll showing my buddy. I was giving my buddy a ride home from SD Garage, and I did a poll for him. And I went into like I don't know if it was 5th or 6th gear, and it just felt like I was like didn't have enough fuel. So I wanted to go do a log and just make sure. And I went and did a log, and rail pressure was perfect. Low pressure could have been a little higher, but if rail pressure's fine, then I feel like that's more important. But and it's not like the low pressure was dangerously low, but yeah, felt good. Rail pressure felt good. Rail pressure was fine. Seems like the car's running pretty good. And the blow-off valve works now, so let's see. Yeah, you guys can hear that now. It only does it at certain PSI though. Like if I go over like 7 PSI, it'll do it, but under it doesn't really do it. Like you see that was like 5 and it kind of opened. That was 8 or 9. No, actually opens up. But yeah, it works fine now. Pulls good. Feels pretty fast. I mean, as fast as 17, 18 PSI can be. And on that run, on the log I just did, I only hit like 16, 17 PSI. So, yeah, car feels good.